Okay, so I'm sitting here with the 2019 Dodge Ram Rebel and was having a problem with the truck. It was reading the remote start and everything. It would unlock, and then went to go start it, and this is what it sounds like when you go to start it. It'll just sit here and just keep trying to start. So, went through all of the fuses, relays, and everything, couldn't figure it out. Now, little backstory about what I was doing with the truck was I was washing the truck, cleaning the inside of it out and everything, taking the mats out, putting them back in, all that good stuff. So about an hour after trying to sit here and try to figure it out, I looked down and I was like, okay, you know, maybe I'll just check and see if maybe I hit some connections or something. So I get up underneath here, I'm looking, I didn't see anything that, you know, came disconnected, but I also noticed there's a fuse panel right here. So we take this off and we check some more fuses and try to start it again, and it still did the same thing. So then eventually, as I was looking, I noticed that when I put the mat back in, that it's pushing on the throttle just ever so slightly. So if I remove this and put this back where it belongs, and now the throttle is all the way back forward, come back in here to start the truck, look at that, it works. So it can always be something completely stupid. So if you're having that same type of problem, look at the throttle position sensor and see if that changes anything. Hopes this helps you.